Make sure we're on the home page, customfloatingshelves.com. Up here at the top, you have shop. You have some options here. These are worth exploring, some fun stuff. Today we want to get 3 white oak shelves, 10 by 90 inches. So this is an easy way to get there. We said white oak, that's right here. If you wanted a different kind of wood, there's a wood type menu here. You can pick just about anything you want. We're looking for white oak. Click on that. What thickness do we want? Well, today I want 1.75 inches thick. If you want thicker, start with one of these options here. Okay, there's 6, 2 to 4. We want 1.75. Okay, and we said we wanted 10 by 90. Okay, there's your list price. Now, let's say we wanted 10 by 90 and a half, or 90 and 5/16. So we convert that to decimal. 5/16 to decimal is 0.3125. We only go to 3 decimal places, so we're only going to do 0.312 is going to be good enough. There it is. Okay, I want 3 of them. So right here, quantity 3. Here's some options. This is for a standard, typical floating shelf. This is where if it butts into a wall on one end. This other option is where if shelf is going to meet walls on both ends. We build them a little differently to facilitate attaching to those adjacent walls. So I could choose raw wood if I want to do stain work on site. I'm going to do finished. Okay, I've got 3 of them. There's my size. Yes, looks good. Add to cart. I also want to do LED strip lights on 2 of these. So I'm going to go back here, shelving add-ons. Here's LED channel. We don't sell any lighting, but we do cut the channel and add a diffuser lens. It's very nice. You can see in the photo there. So 2 of those. I have 3 shelves. I'm going to do 2 channels. These channels are not attributed to a specific shelf. How are we going to know? Well, we'll send you an email to clarify. This has an automatic discount for the spring sale has been added. I have a different code, my own, that I'm going to add in checkout. And apply. Took that discount away and added mine. I'm going to proceed with the checkout now.